I'm happy to welcome you all to the third session in React training. So, in this session, we will be developing a simple component in React. So, in the previous session, we have created an application using React CLI. So, this is what it created for us, and we were able to see the React application in action. So first we will delete the unnecessary files to understand the basics of React. So this is for a test, write-in test. I will delete this, and then I don't need this logo.svg, and then I'm not interested in this service worker right now. So these are the only files I'm interested right now. Okay. So there is two important files. So this index.html is the page template of the React application, and index.js is the entry point for the JavaScript. So you can see it in this readme.md. It is clearly mentioned. Go through it. You can clearly understand this. This is the readme file. So this public index.html is the page template for this React application, and the React source index.js is the JavaScript entry point, which the React application will be calling. Once we run a React script, that is npm start, once we run that, these are the two files which the React application will be using for showing us the React page, whatever you see it here. So right now, for us, we will try to delete the complete this one. Here we are now interested to create a simple React component. For creating a React component, first we need to import the libraries, create a component, and then render the component to the screen. So what are the libraries we require for writing a React application? It is very simple, as we saw it in that APX, when we did React CLI create, whatever the package got installed. So we need a React from React, and we need a React DOM. This is needed for rendering the component to the only these two libraries, and then we need to create a component. How we create a component in React? It is very simple. Just name the component name as app. Just write a function, and this function should return here JSX element, which we will see it session in this training. So it looks similar to HTML for now. So I want to display the hello in the screen. This is my requirement. Now I want to have created a component now. The component name is app, and the component content is hello. So basically a component is a reusable widget which displays something to this. Now my aim is to display this component to the screen. So for that we need to use React DOM. I have to ask React DOM to render this component. All the JSX elements, we do it like this in React, and where we need to put this component to, which we need to put this component to some place in the page. Okay, the page template is nothing but index.html. In the index.html we have a ID called root. So I will put the component to this ID. So this component will go inside the root ID. So for that, what I need to do is just use the normal JavaScript for that. Document.getElement, and so now I have imported the library created the component, and that component I'm trying to put it inside the. So now I'm done with the code part. Now we will test it. What is happening? So if you basically your code changes are watched internally. So whenever you change something in the code, it will get compiled automatically. So it has got compiled. Now you can see clearly the hello is being displayed, being very successful in our attempt to create a simple component. Thank you.